Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga Slim 7 camera driver. So use to any browser and type to Google search box, just right click to new tab. You can see there are two type to install. First automatic. So in case of automatic, so just click to scan now and required driver automatically install, just one click. Okay, and second guys, manual, so you have to facing some issues and require to separate driver. Just click to select a driver. After that you can give all driver and you can click to camera and then camera driver. Okay, and just click to download and then select this download file and then click to yes, then okay, then I accept, then next, select the install and then click to next. After that click to install. Now this is installing by the cmd command, then click to finish it.